and thanks for showing interest in our Pragmatic Works On-Demand Elite package. This package of our training includes all of our training courses, totaling more than 60 classes. This allows you to get much more in-depth into any Microsoft data-centric courses that you might be interested in. We have classes from Azure, SQL Server, Power BI, as well as other Power Platform technologies. I think you'll really enjoy this. You can, of course, sign up for a trial to test it out and give it a test drive, which gives you free total access to both Dashboard in a Day and App in a Day classes, as well as limited access to our other 58 courses. You can, of course, sign up for a trial that gives you 7 days access. And if you're interested in purchasing, you can purchase for either monthly or yearly subscriptions on our site. So whichever is your preference, you can, of course, do. If you want to budget it for the entire year, you can do that up front. Or if you want to pay individual months, you can do that as well. That's set up on an auto-renewing status, so you can, of course, cancel that at any time you'd like. Within our training, you can always ask for help. We have feedback options where you can provide feedback, as well as gamification, where you can actually get competitive with other people that are taking training classes with us. We're excited that you're trying this out, and we're really excited that you are interested in potentially signing up for our paid training with us. We look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions, you can email us at training@pragmaticworks.com. Thank you very much.